Let me solve this square root equation so you can understand it's really not that bad of a problem. We already have our square root isolated on the left-hand side, so we know to undo that square root so we can solve for x, I'm going to need to square, but I need to square both sides. Now, this is where a lot of students kind of get stuck because they know it's going to be more work to squaring them, but in reality, this is a binomial squared, and hopefully you know binomial squareds are going to create perfect square trinomials. Now, what we recognize is we have a quadratic, but so to solve a quadratic, we have to make sure we set it equal to 0, so therefore we can now use factoring or the quadratic formula. And this one's actually not too bad. All we simply need to do is factor out our x and apply the zero product property. Now, before we go ahead and check and say this is our answer, we got to make sure we take our solutions. Since we squared both sides, we got to make sure we plug them back in to make sure that they are verified and not extraneous. And in this case, you can see they're both good.